Hello, you are welcome back to another episode on the channel ONYE IGBO. Today, we are briefly going to talk about the Igbo traditional belief system as it relates to their religious practices. The Igbos are one of the major ethnic groups in the present-day geographical expression called Nigeria. Also, among the thousands of distinct religions found throughout the world today is Odinani or Odinani, which is the main traditional belief system of the Igbos. Odinani is a polytheistic religion, although Igbos believe in a god known as Chukwu or Chineke, who created the earth, the world, and everything in it, and is typically seen as being a supreme being. Connected with Chukwu is the other major deities in Odinani. The earth goddess, Anna or Allah, or Ani, depending on your Igbo dialect. She is the main nurturing force in the world who cares for all of her creations. Beneath these are a lot of other lesser spirits through which Chukwu works. There is a god of thunder. There is a god of wealth, Chineke. There is god of rain. There is the goddess of water. There is a god of birth, Chinenye or Chinyere. There is the god of justice, Amadioha. There is Obinagu Ogugu. There is god of bee, Obango. There is even a god of yam, which is known as Njoko. People worship these gods and try to appease them with sacrifices in order for them to have good harvest, because Allah or Anna or Ani is happy. In Odinala, they believe that the god of their ancestors watch over the living also plays a huge role. People worship the god of the ancestors in hope that they will protect them. There is also Chi, which are thought to be small parts of Chukwu living inside each person like divine souls or guardian angels. There is an Igbo expression called Chiawotu. Everyone's chi is not the same. There is another Igbo expression called Ofunne Umoro Manaboho Fuchikere. These personal gods are credited for each person's luck. These beliefs govern the lives of the Igbo people. The spiritual practice of this culture are so extensive, and there is so much more that they believe in. But if you don't mind me, I think it's time for me to go pray to the God of wealth, Chineke. Chinazondo, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, for a pretty long time. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, ONYE IGBO.